Sup guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and something crazy just happened overnight, and I wasn't personally expecting to make this video at all, as I have made a previous video on it. If you haven't seen that, link to that in the description down below, and it is a fully detailed video on the Galaxy Z Flip. And before I tell you what just happened, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on and drop a like on this video. And the thing which happened is that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which is a cheaper foldable phone and a foldable phone which folds down to a clamshell size, and it is going to be launched alongside the S20. Its hands-on video has been leaked, and I'm not confirmed about the source of it, but it showcases an incredible design, and it is much better than the renders. And you can see the color-coded small display and dual cameras on back, and it is in the folded state. And when it is open, you can see that gorgeous 6.7-inch Infinity O ultra-thin glass display, and there are thick bezel because of the protection of it, so it might not break. So, and you can see that punch hole display, and this display is going to be pretty large, and on the outer side of it you can see that there is a 1.06 inches always on display, which would be a front preview display, which would show you the date, time, and the percentage of the battery. And this is the thing that none other phone can do, like the folding and unfolding. That is a very unique design, and it folds down to a clamshell size similar to Motorola Razor. And this is the thing not even the Samsung Galaxy S20 can do. Surely the specs on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is not on the level as the Samsung Galaxy S20. It is similar. It is the spec sheet of the last year, but it still is very powerful with Snapdragon 855 plus. It is a very powerful phone, and the cameras on it are going to be like the S10e, which are not the least, but because those cameras were also very great. And it would be launched on February 11, 2020, and the main specs of it would be 6.7-inch foldable display, and it would be the ultra-thin glass, unlike the plastic display on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And there would be a front camera which would be of 10 megapixel and f2.4 aperture, and it is similar to Samsung Galaxy Note 10, but with software developments it would be a much better camera. And the pricing of it is jingled a lot, and some sources say that it is going to cost around £1,300, and we'll see the real pricing when it launches. So, and it will be launched pretty soon, and maybe in a week, and on February 11, 2020, as I told you earlier. And I'm very excited for this phone. Like the foldable form factor, that is incredible. That is something that none other phone can do. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on, and watch my other videos, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Mr. Fantastic. And we'll see you guys in the next video.